Hello, space enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders of the universe and unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. Today, we're diving into one of the most captivating enigmas in planetary science. What happened to Venus's water? Venus, our closest planetary neighbor, is renowned for its extreme and inhospitable environment. Dense sulphurous clouds, acid rain, atmospheric pressures akin to being 900 meters underwater on Earth, and surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Despite its proximity to Earth, Venus presents a stark contrast. What happened to the water that Venus likely had when it was first formed, given that it lies within the Goldilocks zone of our solar system? Venus is now an extremely dry planet, but it wasn't always this way. At some point in its history, Venus underwent a runaway greenhouse effect, transforming it into the hellish world we observe today. Most scientific models agree that this process would have driven off most of its original water. However, these models also suggest that some water should still be present. Yet, observations reveal that Venus is almost entirely devoid of water. So, what caused this drastic change? Planetary scientists at the University of Colorado Boulder believe they have found a potential explanation. They propose that a molecule called HCO plus high in Venus's atmosphere may be responsible for the disappearance of water. However, confirming this theory will require future missions to Venus equipped with the right instruments to detect this elusive molecule. For much of the 20th century, Venus was often thought of as Earth's twin. Both planets are approximately the same size and mass and are located within the Sun's habitable zone, where temperatures could potentially allow for liquid water. Early science fiction writers even imagined Venus as a lush, tropical world teeming with life and exotic civilizations. However, the reality is much harsher. Venus is a world of sulfuric acid rains, crushing atmospheric pressures, and searing surface temperatures. But it wasn't always like this. Astronomers and planetary scientists generally believe that Earth and Venus started with similar amounts of water. Initially, both planets may have had temperate climates and vast oceans. But something happened on Venus that released an enormous quantity of carbon dioxide into its atmosphere, leading to an extreme runaway greenhouse effect. This caused the planet's temperatures to skyrocket, melting any ice and boiling away any liquid water. The atmosphere became saturated with water vapor, much of which eventually escaped into space, leaving Venus dry. But according to existing models, some water should still remain. So, where did it go? A study led by Dr. Aaron Kangi and Dr. Mike Chaffin from the Laboratory for Atmospheric and Space Physics, LASP, offers a compelling hypothesis. In their research, they discovered a process by which the molecule HCO+ can remove water from planetary atmospheres. They suggest that the same process could be at work on Venus. However, detecting this molecule in Venus's atmosphere has proven challenging, primarily because no mission so far has been equipped to look for it. Despite the intriguing hypothesis, there is currently little direct evidence to confirm the presence of HCO+ in Venus's atmosphere. One of the surprising conclusions of this work is that HCO+ should actually be among the most abundant ions in the Venus atmosphere, says Dr. Chaffin. However, detecting it requires specific instruments that have not yet been deployed to Venus. The planetary science community's interest in Venus is growing, and several missions are planned to study the planet in more detail. One such mission is NASA's Deep Atmosphere Venus Investigation of Noble Gases, Chemistry, and Imaging, DaVinci. This mission aims to send a probe to the surface of Venus, studying the atmosphere at various altitudes as it descends. While DaVinci is not specifically designed to detect HCO+, it may provide valuable data to support or refute this hypothesis. Dr. Kangi and Dr. Chaffin remain hopeful that future missions equipped with the necessary instruments will be able to test their theory. There haven't been many missions to Venus compared to other planets, but that is starting to change. Newly planned missions will leverage decades of experience and a renewed interest in exploring the extremes of planetary atmospheres, evolution, and habitability. These missions are crucial for understanding not only Venus, but also the broader dynamics of planetary environments and their potential for supporting life. So, what do you think? Could this mysterious molecule, HCO+, be the key to understanding what happened to Venus's water? Do you believe future missions will uncover more about our enigmatic neighbor? Have you ever wondered what other secrets the planets in our solar system hold? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's keep exploring the mysteries of the universe together.